Good morning, students. Welcome you all once again in history period, history EVS 2. Okay. Today we have to revise lesson number 4, and that is evolution. Okay. The concept of evolution. Evolution means gradual and continuous change. What do you mean by evolution? Evolution means gradual and or continuous change. Okay. उत्क्रांति भी हम कह सकते हैं, ठीक है, उत्क्रांति या क्रम विकास. In the process of survival, the animals adapt to the environmental changes. This results in internal physical changes which are inherited by the subsequent generations. A new species with the characteristics different from the original species emerge. Listen once again. In the process of survival यानी जिंदा रहना, ठीक है ना. In the process of survival, the animals adapt to the environmental changes. Environment में जो changes होते हैं वो animal क्या करते हैं, adapt कर लेते हैं. This results in internal physical change which are inherited by the subsequent generation. और उसका नतीजा क्या होता है, प्राणियों में, एनिमल्स में कुछ इंटरनल फिजिकल चेंज होते हैं. ओके. और वो चेंजेस उनके ही आने वाले नेक्स्ट जनरेशन में दिखाई देते हैं. A new species with the characteristics different from the original species emerge. और फिर क्या होता है कि एक नए स्पेसिस का, न्यू स्पेसिस का बर्थ होता है, यानी पुराने स्पेसिस के कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स भी होते हैं उसमें और कुछ नयापन भी रहता है. ठीक है. The new species are more evolved than the original species. और ये जो न्यू स्पेसिस रहता है वो कैसा रहता है, मोर इवॉल्व रहता है. ठीक है. Then ओरिजिनल स्पेसिस बिकम एक्सटिंक्ट समटाइम्स. कई बार ऐसे होता है कि ये जो ओरिजिनल स्पेसिस है ना वो फिर नामशेष हो जाता है. Then sometimes more than one species evolved out of the original species. कई बार एक से ज्यादा स्पेसिस भी इवॉल्व होते हैं. Charles Darwin gave a systematic explanation of the process of evolution. Charles Darwin ने एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया है, ठीक है, इवोल्यूशन का. Darwin stated that species which are capable of adapting to environmental changes survive. जो species environment में होने वाले changes को adapt करता है वही species जिंदा रह पाता है. Species which are unable to adapt become extinct. और जो species ये जो natural environment में जो changes होते हैं वो अगर एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पाता है, एडप्ट नहीं करता है, तो फिर क्या होता है, वो प्रजाति एक्सटिंक्ट हो जाती है, मतलब नामशेष हो जाती है. ओके. नाउ डेनोस इन ग्रीक मीन्स टेरिबल एंड सॉरस मीन्स लिजार्ड. डायनासोर्स मीन्स अ टेरिबल लिजार्ड. ओके, कीप इट इन माइंड. डायनासोर्स मीन्स टेरिबल, अ टेरिबल लिजार्ड. Dinosaur, an enormous animal, became extinct due to some natural disaster or environmental change. ये जो है डायनासोर, वो उसकी प्रजाति क्या हुई है, बहुत ही कम हो गई है. The stages, some species of dinosaurs with 2 legs and wings evolved into birds. Okay, now the stages of evolution of animals. Animals के evolution के stages. Multicellular organisms gradually evolved and thereby a number of species of plants and animals came into being. Came into being means being existed. अस्तित्व में आना. The stages in the evolution of animals are invertebrates. Invertebrates means animals without backbones, such as snail. Vertebrates, animals with backbone. These evolved into aquatic amphibians, birds, reptiles, and mammals. Okay. Once again, I repeat: vertebrates, animals with backbone. Okay, and these evolved into aquatic amphibians, birds, reptiles, and mammals. The aquatic animals live in water. Aquatic animals कहाँ रहते हैं? पानी में. The amphibians live in water and on land. जो amphibian रहते हैं जिसको हम उभयचर कहते हैं वो लैंड में भी रहते हैं और जमीन पर भी रहते हैं. ठीक है. The reptiles are the animals that crawl. और reptiles किसे कहा जाता है? जो crawling करते हैं. Just like for example snake or turtle. Okay. Mammals are the most evolved vertebrates with the following characteristics. Growth of the baby in mother's womb before birth. Fed on mother's milk for some time after birth. Platypus and anteater are exceptional mammals as they lay eggs and suckle their young ones' offspring. Now, apes. Apes are somewhat similar to human beings in appearance. Apes किसके जैसे दिखते हैं? Human being जैसे. These apes that lived on trees retain their ape-like form, whereas those supposed to move around on the ground gradually evolved into human species. जो ट्रीज पे रहने वाले एप थे ना, वो उनका फॉर्म जो था एप लाइक फॉर्म वो बरकरार रहा, लेकिन जो जमीन पर रहते थे, जमीन पर इधर उधर घूमते थे, वो ह्यूमन स्पेसीज में चेंज हो गए. The first human species is called primitive man who lived in the African continent. Keep it in mind. The first human species is called primitive man who lived in the African continent. Okay. Now next. Carl Linnaeus. Listen carefully. Carl Linnaeus had introduced the method of classification of animals. Charles Darwin proposed the theory of evolution in his book on the origin of species. Charles Darwin elaborated his views on evolution in his second book, The Descent of Man. In the 20th century, the evidence to substantiate the theory of evolution became available. Okay, now let's see question answers. The first question is fill in the blanks. Okay, the first systematic explanation of the concept of evolution was given by Charles Darwin. Fill in the blank is Charles Darwin. Darwin, D-A-R-W-I-N. Mammals are the most evolved animals among vertebrates. Answer gap जो है fill in the blank जो है वो है mammals. A new species is more evolved than the original one. Fill in the blanks is evolved. Some species of two-legged and winged dinosaurs evolved into birds. Dinosaurs literally means a terrible wizard. Dinosaur ये क्या है? बहुत बड़ी wizard है, lizard है, ठीक है? L-I-Z-A-R-D, lizard. Now fill in the blanks in the concept chart given below. Living thing जो है see in your book. देखो ये जो चार्ट है ना, fill in the blanks in the concept chart given below. ये जो चार्ट है, ये चार्ट अच्छे से करके रखना है, ठीक है? ये चार्ट जो है वो अच्छे से करके रखना है. This may come in the examination. Okay, be prepared for this chart. Now let us see the answer. Evolution of animals, living things, animals without a backbone and animals with a backbone. Animals without a backbone means invertebrates, and animals with a backbone means vertebrates. Okay, इतना याद रखना. Invertebrates means animals without a backbone, and vertebrates means animals with a backbone, without a backbone and with a backbone. Now examples जैसे worms, snail, mosquito, earthworm. ठीक है, 4 एग्जाम्पल है इसके इनवर्टिब्रेट्स के. कौन से है? worms, snail, mosquito and earthworm. और एनिमल्स विथ अ बैकबोन उसके एग्जाम वर्टिब्रेट्स के एग्जांपल है एक्वाटिक, एम्फीबियंस, रेप्टाइल्स एंड मैमल्स. ओके, एक्वाटिक, एम्फीबियंस, reptiles and mammals. Now answer the following questions in one sentence each. What do we call animals which live in water and also on land? जो प्राणी लैंड में भी रहते हैं और पानी में भी रहते हैं, हम उनको क्या कहते हैं? एम्फीबियंस। ओके, नाउ where did the first human appear? The first human appeared on the African continent. ध्यान में रखना, the first human appeared on the African continent. Then what is the meaning of evolution? Evolution means what? Evolution is a process of gradual and continuous change. Okay. How do animals survive in the process of evolution? The animals survived in the process of evolution by adapting themselves to the changes in the environment. The animals survive in the process of evolution by adapting themselves to the changes in the environment. What is the outcome of adaptation to the changes in the environment? In the process of adaptation to the changes in the environment, certain internal physical changes occur in some animal species. Okay. What do we see in the following generation of animal species? The internal physical changes, what changes occur in the new species? The new species that emerge have characteristics different from those of the original one. यानी ओरिजिनल के में जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स दिखाई देते हैं ना, उससे थोड़े से अलग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हमें न्यू स्पेसीज में दिखाई देते हैं। यानी कुछ उनके कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स और कुछ और दूसरे कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स यानी वैशिष्ट्य। What is an aquatic animal species? The animals like fish that live in water are called aquatic species. What are reptiles? The animals like snakes that crawls are reptiles. How are the apes different from other animal species? Apes are different from other animal species as they are somewhat like human beings in appearance. Okay. Now, give reasons. The species of dinosaurs which were enormous in size suddenly became extinct. जो डायनासोर के जो स्पेसीज है जो साइज में बहुत बड़े हैं वो क्यों नामशेष होने के कगार पर क्यों हैं? The species of dinosaur which are enormous in size suddenly became extinct because, according to the Darwin, the species that cannot adapt to environmental changes became extinct in the process of evolution. Some sudden natural disaster or environmental changes. Natural disasters यानी क्या? जैसे फ्लड है, अर्थक्वेक है ना, famine है, तो all these are, we can say, natural disasters. Okay. Some sudden natural disaster or environmental changes or environment में जो changes होते हैं वो is believed to be responsible for the extinction of enormous dinosaurs. In the course of time, next question, in the course of time, a new species with characteristics different from the original species is created. In the process of survival by adapting to environmental changes, certain internal physical changes occur in some species of animals. Over a period of time, these changes become inherited characteristics seen in all subsequent generations. Thus, in the course of time, a new species with characteristics different from the original species is created. Now, the platypus and some species of anteater are regarded as exception to the mammals. Unlike mammals, the platypus and anteaters lay eggs. Okay, the exception यानी अपवाद. These suckers, they are their young ones. Therefore, the platypus and some species of anteater are regarded as exception to mammals. Okay, write short notes. See, dinosaur. Dinos in Greek means terrible and saurus means lizard. Dinosaur means a terrible lizard. Some of these dinosaurs were enormous in size. These became extinct due to sudden natural disaster or environment changes. Some of the dinosaurs were believed to be two-legged and winged. These two dinosaurs evolved into birds. Now, apes. Apes are forerunners of human beings. Therefore, these were somewhat similar in appearance to human beings. Apes lived on trees. Those which continue to live on trees retain their original ape-like characteristics. However, those apes which were forced to move on the ground gradually evolved into human beings. The first human species evolved from the apes was called primitive man, who lived in the African continent. Okay, now stages of evolution of animals. Protozoa, the unicellular organisms, gave rise to multicellular organisms. Multicellular organisms gradually evolved into a variety of plants and animals. Invertebrates and vertebrates, animal species evolved gradually. Vertebrates evolved into aquatic animals, amphibians, and mammals. Gradually, apes, somewhat like humans in appearance, evolved. The apes evolved gradually and gave rise to human species in the form of primitive man. Okay. In what respect, it's an open-minded question, in what respect is the human being different from other animal species? Dinosaur and elephant are much larger in size than human beings. Okay, unlike human beings, fishes live in water bodies. Unlike human beings, reptiles like snakes crawl. Unlike most other animals, human beings walk on two legs, have a developed brain, and evolved technology to make his life comfortable. Human beings are capable of adjusting to environment changes and therefore have not become extinct, whereas animals like dinosaurs became extinct. Okay. Now, here our revision of this lesson, evolution, is over. Okay. And tomorrow, in the next period, we will see lesson number 5, that is evolution of mankind. Evolution of mankind. Okay. Mammals means सस्तन प्राणी. Evolve means to develop. Evolve का meaning क्या होता है? Development of something. That means evolve. Okay. And now here our period is over. We will meet once again with new lesson. Okay. And your homework is that revise all the question answers of this lesson and read lesson carefully. Okay. Bye bye.